Union is strength. Once upon a time, there lived a flock of parrots. Every day, they used to fly far and wide in search of food. One day, after flying a long distance, one of the parrots said, "Friends, we have taken a very long flight. I think we should take some rest." The flock of parrots came flying over a banyan tree and saw plenty of corn grains scattered under the tree. Seeing the corn grains, all the parrots landed on the ground to eat them. Unfortunately, the parrots could not see a net that had already been laid there by a hunter. As soon as they started eating the corn grains, they were all trapped. The parrots fluttered their wings, trying to come out, but in vain. Just then, they saw a hunter coming towards them. All the parrots were very sad. They thought their end was near. The king of parrots was very intelligent. He asked the parrots not to lose courage and said, "I have an idea. We should all fly up together, clutching the net in our claws." So, each parrot picked up a part of net, and together they flew off, carrying the net with them. The hunter looked up in astonishment. He ran after the flying birds, but could not catch them. The hunter could never imagine this. He could do nothing but repent at seeing the parrots flying away. Soon, the parrots flew out of his sight. After flying a long distance, the parrots reached a place where an old friend of the king parrot lived. It was a rat. Seeing the king parrot and his friends trapped in the net, the rat said, "Who's done all this to you?" The king parrot told the whole story to the rat. The rat immediately started nibbling at the net around the flock of parrots and set all the parrots free. All the parrots were very grateful to the rat. They thanked him for his kind act and flew away together to their nests. Moral: Union is strength. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel because learning never ends. Bye.